one of your classwork projects to do is a makeshift or homemade bowling pin. Now, we do have bowling pins and we have a bowling ball, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna use some plastic bottles, 3 of them. We're gonna decorate them. You can decorate them using what?
Markers.
Yeah, you can use markers. You can basically decorate it with anything that you have. All right, we have the paper. We have a roll paper, which is really long. We can use that.
We can cut it in pieces.
And make it a bowling alley.
And make it look like this.
Make it look like a bowling alley.
Like make it look like that.
Oh, that's what your teacher did. That's what your teacher did. Hers looked pretty cool, though. I don't know if we're going to do that with all our bottles over here, but we have our paper, which is going to be our bowling alley. We got some tape in case we need, some scissors, and water bottles. We're going to decorate using some of our Crayola products. So they can use empty soda bottles.
We can use one of these. Let's use one of these.
Okay.
Hey!
If you do use one of these bottles, or cans, or even a milk jug, your ball, it might have to be rolled really fast for you to hit it down, because sometimes the stuff is bigger. Close it back.
I just saw your eyes. I saw your eyes.
Because there's liquid still inside there, and I don't want it to fall onto the floor. So Johnny came to join us here. He's going to put a design on his bottle. Let me see your bottle. So we just put some tape and paper around it. Now he's going to use some crayons and some markers. Jose's going to need some tape. Here's an example of a simple one with some stars on it. You can put more designs. Then we got a little creative with the Canada Dry soda bottle.
Right, you can have this.
And we made a bowling alley just using the paper. That's where the pins are going to go. Whoa, what are we using? We're using a soccer ball. All right. Since this is Jose's activity for his classwork,
Bro, it's me.
Jose's gonna roll it from here. You have to stay behind. Nope. You have to stand behind the wooden blocks.
Bro.
We're making it a little interesting. You have to stand behind the wooden.
I think I'm gonna do it.
Box. Okay, go ahead, bold.
Oh!
He get another turn. Bring the ball back, Johnny. Bring the ball back.
I literally put down all the regular ones.
Yeah. Let's
Set
see.
it up again, Johnny.
No. He could go and do a spare. Try to get the rest of the bottle. Oh. So if we're keeping score, looks like you only got 3 pins down.
I'll beat that.
Oh, you gonna beat that? Okay. So we're gonna do how many tries?
No.
I don't know.
2 tries.
2
Because
tries?
I got 2. Oh my god.
Oh, 1. Yeah, we're gonna do 2 tries for 1 turn. Because when you're doing bowling, you can either hit it. All right. Jose hit down 3 in the first round and then 0 at the, to try to get your spear. And Johnny had a 0 and then he did a strike. All right, this is round 2. Let's see what Jose is gonna do. Oh,
Strike.
Oh, you gotta go set up the pins.
I got it. I'll beat that. If he's knocked down all of them, he has 10.
Yeah, well, I don't know.
And
We're gonna add up the score after the 5th round. Okay, ready?
Who really me?
All right, good luck. Remember, try to stay in the paper. Oh,
I got 1 more.
You got 1 more try, yeah. All right, behind the wooden. Oh! There, we're just counting numbers.
Well, you're just counting numbers. It's not like you're doing like real.
We're not playing real bowling. We're just trying to learn how to count our numbers by playing a different version of bowling.
So if I get a strike, I only have 1. That was my turn?
We're just playing with how many you hit down. Okay? Okay, that was 0. You gotta go get that.
And my turn.
No, Jose gets another chance.
What?
Because in bowling, you have 2 chances as a turn. Okay? You first one, you try to hit down the pins. If you can't, you hit down the rest of the pins. Ooh, we got a 6. Oh, a 0 on the first try. Let's do it again. This is your second try, which is called the spear. Oh, 5. Go ahead. Woo! All right, you hit all of them. Okay, so Johnny won. He knocked down 3 now.
I
Go
don't.
ahead. Yep.
Oh, came out of the machine.
It came out the machine. Yeah,
Machine's
we tried
right
to
here.
get it. That's the
No.
machine. Okay. Okay. Oh, we got. All right. Bonus round, because we're gonna use this one.
Oh, what
We're
does
gonna
that one equal?
This one equals a 6. Ooh, so we're gonna put it right in the front.
Come out.
Okay, the
I
bonus
got it.
round.
Yes.
Havoc.
Havoc!
Go. Go, Havoc.
Mom, oh, you almost made all of them fall down.
Oh, you almost hit it all. All right, well, pins are ready now. This is the bonus round.
That means we can get 12 points.
Yes, you can get 12 points.
If we hit them all down.
All at once, yeah.
Oh!
You
Put
can
it in
set
the
it.
machine. Put it in the machine.
You can set it up any way you want to set it up. You can make the numbers up. All right, Johnny, you gotta try. You gotta try here and try to get those pins down. Oh!
Johnny wins!
We gotta do
Yeah,
that.
because look, 6 and 5 equals 17.
Mm-hmm.
And 3 equals 23.
Mm-hmm.
And 6 equals 29. And the bonus is 12.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. 41.
So we did the math. It is Johnny because Johnny
Let me see
got
your breakdance
41
Let me see your break.
and Jose got 39. So we got the
We
we got a dance celebration.
got a break dancer.